Hello everyone. Today we will start the software engineering. What is the introduction of in software engineering? Software engineering is a technical throughout which can be developed or created software of computer system and any other electronic devices. What is the software engineering? Software engineering is designed to is designed or it's created that develop is the software systems, correct? And any other electronic devices. Software engineering is nothing but it's created the systems and electronic devices. Firstly, they will plan the what is design, what is the steps. We will start the system. First step and end step. First will be design and create the computer systems. Next topic, next point, there is word. In their word, software engineering is a process in which is needed are analyzed and software is designed based on their needed. What is say? What say? Software engineering process which is need of the analyze and software is then designing based on their needed. What is the सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग इज अ प्रोसेस, करेक्ट? सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग एक प्रोसेस है. वो प्रोसेस के लिए उसकी ज़रूरत क्या है? एनालाइज एंड सॉफ्टवेयर डिज़ाइनिंग. द बेसिक नीड, ओके, द बेसिक नीड इज एनालाइज्ड और डिज़ाइन is called the software engineering. First definition is nothing but it's a created software computer system, and next one is another electronic devices can create it or develop. Okay, this is first definition. Second meaning is nothing but software engineering is the process or process which is needed. Okay, need is analyzed and software designing based on their needs. Third one is nothing but software engineering, the develops of the software using well defined scientific principle, method and procedure. What they say? The development, software engineering, the development of a software we using well defined what is scientific principle, method and produces. Next, software engineering build their softwares and application. What say? Software engineering build their software and application by using designing and programming language. What they say? Software engineering build software. Okay, they are created the software or building the something software. Without build software, without the software which is not use the application, but application by using designing and programming language. इन द सेंस कि फर्स्ट में बोला गया है कि वो क्रिएट और डेवलप होता है सॉफ्टवेयर किसके लिए? कंप्यूटर सिस्टम और अनदर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइसेस के लिए. सेकेंड में बोला गया है कि जो सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग जो प्रोसेस है विच इज़ नीडेड, उसकी ज़रूरत क्या है? कि एनालाइज्ड और सॉफ्टवेयर डिज़ाइनिंग बेस्ड ऑन देयर नीडेड. थर्ड में क्या बोला है कि इन सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग डेवलप्स of the software well defined the scientific principle or method or produces. Then third में बोला गया है build the system. Engineers build the software and application using designing and programming languages. Third में क्या? This one 2 3 4 और fifth में बोला गया है in order to create a complex software we should use software engineering technical as well as reduces complexity. We should use abstraction and decomputations where abstraction describing only important parts of software and leave iterative important parts the software and leave iterative things of later stages of development, so their requirement of software become simply and decomposition break down the software into number of the modules where each module produces as well as define independently task. What they say, order to create it complex software, we should use the software engineering technique. Create order to create complex software, we should use the software engineering technique as well as reduce the complexity. क्या करता है ऑर्डर टू क्रिएट करता है, उसके बाद कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी सॉफ्टवेयर वी शुड यूज द सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग टेक्निक एज वेल एज क्या करता है रिड्यूस द कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी. वी शुड यूज द एब्स्ट्रैक्शन एंड डीकम्पोजिशन. वी शुड यूज एब्स्ट्रैक्शन के लिए और डीकम्पोजिशन के लिए, where abstraction describe only the important parts, where abstraction describe only the important parts, correct, and software leaves the iterated important parts. Software leaves iterative important parts. Next one is software leave iterated things of later stages. फर्स्ट में इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट इटरेटिव करता है, लीव द इटरेटिव पार्ट ऑफ इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट. देन सॉफ्टवेयर क्या करता है, सॉफ्टवेयर इटरेटेड थिंग्स फॉर द लेटर स्टेजेस फॉर द डेवलपमेंट. सो द रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ इन सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग बिकम अ सिंपली एंड decomposition. What they say, development so their requirement, okay, development so their requirement of a software become a simply and decomposition. Break down the software into for the module, where each modules produce as well define identify task. These are the nothing but software introduction. These are the purpose of software engineering. First, what is the purpose? Manage large software. Okay, manage करता है खूब सारे सॉफ्टवेयर. सेकेंड वन इज फॉर ग्रेटर स्केलेबिलिटी. थर्ड वन इज टू मैनेज द कॉस्ट. सॉफ्टवेयर कॉस्ट को मैनेज करता है. क्या कॉस्टिंग रहनी चाहिए सॉफ्टवेयर की, दे विल बी मॅनेज द लार्ज अमाऊंट ऑफ सॉफ्टवेअर. किती सारे सॉफ्टवेअर असतील, खूप सारे सॉफ्टवेअर असतील, ते मॅनेज करायचं काम कोण करणार आहे, सॉफ्टवेअर इंजिनिअरिंग. ग्रेट स्केलेबिलिटी, ये भी कौन करेगा, सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग. मैनेज उसकी कॉस्ट करेगा सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग. नेक्स्ट वन, टू मैनेज द डायनामिक नेचर ऑफ द सॉफ्टवेयर. टू मैनेज द डायनामिक नेचर ऑफ द सॉफ्टवेयर. फिफ्थ वन, टू बेटर क्वालिटी मैनेजमेंट. इसको क्वालिटी मैनेजमेंट रेस्टोरेंट कौन करेगा, अगेन सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग. दीज आर द shortly I will introduce the introduction of software engineering. Thank you.